Yes, good morning, good afternoon. It's your boy, Sotam City. So today, I'm gonna do a tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your Apex Fits GPS smartwatch and how to change your watch face. So let me show you, okay? So now it's my smartwatch. You see here? So the screen is this screen, you see, my smartwatch, and you can go to your device on your telephone, on your smartphone, Apex Fits GPS smartwatch, and you click on watch face, and they're gonna release you many option. So you have new release, you have digit, you have pointer, multifunction, art, and custom one. So I show you. So good. So you see, you have many option, and you can go. So you can choose which one you want. So me, I like this one, the space, because when I was young, I wanted it to be an astronaut. So I'm gonna choose this one, this space. So, and it's gonna download and it's gonna show in my smartwatch the new feature, the new screen. So now you see it's this screen. So I'm gonna select this one. So it's very good. Space, the final frontier. Okay. So like I told you, the space one, because when they asked me when I was in my younger years, they asked me what you want to be when you grow up. And me, I always answer, I want to be an astronaut. So I'm gonna download this one. So we push, we download it. So now it's downloading. And so you see, it's downloading. So it's processing right now. So you guys see, and it's downloading the feature. So now it's at 62%. So it's downloading the new feature. Good. See? You got the new one. It's like I'm having like a brand new watch. So, and there's many options. So, you see? Now I have a space watch now. The final frontier. So you have many options. So go check that out on your watch face of your Apex Fits GPS smartwatch. So you have many options. You have the new releases, the digit one. You have the pointer one with the pointer. You have multifunction, and you have art, and you can even custom your own one. So I suggest it's like having a new watch every single day, and each option you have many. So you have at least like 30 something and more each option. So you could have a new watch every single day of the year. You're gonna have 365 watch every day. Is that awesome? Yes, it's awesome. All right, so hope you appreciate this tutorial for changing your screen, a new screen face on your smart watch. Thank you so much for tuning in. And for you guys who don't know me yet, by the way, my name is Sotam Siri, and you know what Siri stands for? Sotam Siri stands for Sotam the Cool Technician. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you on the next tutorial. Peace. I'm signing out to space, the final frontier.